Vector data format. Esri Shapefile has 3 mandatory files, including main file, index file, and dbase file. Main file has extension SHP, which gives features their geometry. Index file has extension SHX, which provides ESRI and AutoCAD shape index position. dbase file has extension DBF, which is a standard database file used to store attribute data and object IDs. Projection file has extension PRJ, which contains the metadata associated with the shapefile's coordinate and projection system. It is an optional file. Geographic JavaScript Object Notation .GeoJSON is a lightweight format based on JSON, JavaScript Object Notation. It is mostly used for web-based mapping. It includes vector points, lines, and polygons, as well as tabular information. Google Keyhole Markup Language has extension KML and KMZ. It is primarily used for Google Earth. KML was developed by Keyhole Inc., which was later acquired by Google. KMZ, KML zipped, replaced KML as being the default Google Earth geospatial format because it is a compressed version of the file. GPS Exchange format has extension GPX. It describes waypoints, tracks, and routes captured from a GPS receiver. It can openly transfer GPS data from one program to another. The minimum requirements are latitude and longitude coordinates. Other formats. Raster data format. GeoTiff has extension TIFF, TIFF, and OVR. GeoTiff is an industry image standard file for GIS and satellite remote sensing applications. GeoTiff file may be accompanied by other files. TFW is the world file that is required to give your raster geolocation. XML file optionally accompanies the GeoTiff file and is your metadata. AUX auxiliary file stores projections and other information. OVR pyramid file improves performance for raster display. Erda's Imagine has extension IMG, which is commonly used for raster data to store single and multiple bands of satellite data. Each raster layer as part of an IMG file contains information about its data values such as projection, statistics, attributes, and whether or not it's a continuous or discrete type.